Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to open the hood. There's a tab you pull on the left next to the footrest. And we're going to release the lever right above the emblem. On this vehicle, we're going to show you the underhood fuse box. To open it up, you're going to slide these clips. It retains the cover down. And pull the cover off. To pull the fuses out, it may be easier to use needle nose pliers. There's no key in this, so using needle nose pliers would help to pull a fuse out. You can look at the fuse. The fuse is good. So we're going to put it back in. And we're going to put the cap back on. Put it back down. Close these lock tabs. Good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.